Hello guys, Anomaly here. Hello guys, Unbox Theory here. I just got a package I've been waiting for probably 4-5 months now. This is the Steam Deck, and I bought this one on day 1 of release where you could pre-order it. I was sitting there spamming the button like I was a literal human bot, and I clicked it so much, and I was very lucky to be one of the first people in the world who got their pre-orders accepted. And I'm going to unbox it and try to play CSGO on it. Very nice. Ooh. This is the box I got. I wasn't sure what it was, so I actually cut the tape because I thought it was just some shit. Okay, so when you open it up, you see, you are greeted with this nice text, which might be hard to read if you're dyslexic because there's so much text. But basically it says you can use it anywhere. You can place Steam games in a tent, in the garden, in the train, or the car, on the subway. Very nice. Sula Luna. No idea what that means. And la cocaina. You can use cocaine and play here. This is a German language. Attention. Attention. Attenzione. Achtung! No wonder they almost took Europe. It says here you start with plugging it in and then powering it on. And ooh, here on the back side we have a very nice drawn picture of the Steam Deck, which I guess is this one. Oi, oi, oi. Look at this one. Ooh, sheesh. God damn, okay. Your games are going places. Yes. Just like my grandma, they're going straight to hell. Why they make it so hard to open? What the heck, fuck? There we go. Unsheath the condom. Oh, that's a very nice logo, do you see? Holy shit. Steam Deck. More like Steam Dick. Oh, we can't open it. We need to destroy this one that says Valve. I don't want to destroy it. Okay, can I have scissor, please? Oh... There we go. We have officially opened the Steam Deck. Let's see. Ooh, okay, this is nice presentation. A for effort. Although this shit looks exactly like a Wii U. Do you see? Nintendo Switch. This is a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be. It's like my forearm, bro. Now I look like those porno videos where they're comparing the little girl's arms to the big black penis. Is that it? That's all you get? This shit was 650 euro. I got scammed. There's a lot of buttons here. Right off the bat, it feels pretty good. I've got big hands. It's a little small, but I'm going to go charge this up so we can try installing CS and see how it runs. Ooh, Valve. This is just a charger. This shit better be gold plated. It was 650 euro. It's not gold plated. It comes with EU plug at least. That's hella good. Sadly, we don't have that here. Sadly, we are in Malta and we have the UK plug. This shit look nothing like this. That's a problem. Oh, nice. Let's go charge it. Sheesh! I put this bitch on charge now, and we just see the logo, and it's keep charging here in the kitchen, which is very nice. It hasn't turned on yet. Hello? Hey! So now it's fully charged. You can see the battery is looking very good, and we're just gonna start it up. There we go. So it says welcome here. I'm gonna choose English. It feels good in the hand though. This is definitely something that you can like play with for several hours, just like my penis. Okay, it's connecting to the Wi-Fi now. This is very cool. It's a lot bigger than I thought it would be. I thought it would be hella small. Like this shit, you can see it's almost as big as my keyboard, which is, that's a big full-size keyboard. If it didn't have the extra numpad, it would basically be the same size. Shit's crazy, bro. You can hear it though, listen. Can you hear it? The fans? For being so small, it's kind of loud. Also, did it just fucking die? What happened? Oh, hoi! Sheesh! There we go. What the fuck? Why do I have to select this shit again? I already did. You can see this is really the sort of screen that catches a lot of dust on it. Also, I saw on YouTube, Gib Newell, this fucking fat bastard, he went and delivered this to people in US of A in real life. If I saw him deliver this hand delivered to me, I'd sock him in the mouth. Ask him, why the fuck did you trade ban me in 2015? Huh, Gabe? Why? 1 minute 35 left. It's very quiet in here. but you can definitely hear the fans quite a lot. This shit sound like a little laptop, basically. Only fans. What the fuck? Now it says 11 minutes! Dude, 3 megabit per second. What the hell? My grandma's pacemaker installed shit faster. Bring! Yes, hello? Is this Gabe Newell? It's not. It's a Steam Deck. Download is finally done. That shit probably took half an hour, if not more. This shit's taking so long to start. Also, you get this nice little Steam Deck branded napkin here. I touch him and he become full boner. What? This is the third time. What the fuck? Sign into my Steam account. Okay, I'll sign in right now. Doesn't help that my username is literally like 45 characters. Just so you know why it's so long, my Steam username is based. It's got a lot of numbers in it as well, but it's based on the metal band En Gutturalment Sepp Hallo Slam Ectomy, which is very easy to write when you got a shitty keyboard like this. Fuck.
And it's touch though.
Is it touch? Oh, it's touch!
You're welcome.
Holy shit, it sounds like a fucking typewriter. Signing in. I have this wrong password. Fuck! Sign in, let's see. Loading user data. This is actually pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie, I'm very happy to see that Valve and Steam are actually doing more real-life things. Because that's something that's definitely missing. Welcome to the Steam Deck. Okay, let's take a tour. This is the Steam library button, okay. Press any button on the screen to continue, okay. I'm pretty sure I'm pressing every button. So you can hear it. It's kind of loud, the fan, but if you're like on a train or in an airplane, you're not gonna notice it. There we go, CSGO, my top 1 game played. Install. Valve indicates that CSGO is playable, but might require extra effort to interact or configure. Some in-game text is small and may be difficult to read. I'm used to that, considering my penis. Let's go, install. Oh no, this shit's 28 gig. This is gonna take so long. It's downloading pretty quickly. It's gonna take 20 minutes, so I guess I'll be back when CSGO is finally installed after setting this shit up for literally like 2 hours. Goodbye. Okay, there we go. It's finally downloaded. That took literally an hour. But as you can see now, fully downloaded and ready to play. Play. Shit! No, downloading content. What the fuck? There's so much shit to download, man. Hold magnify. You hold Steam and do like this to magnify. Damn, I wish I could do that on my dick. Oh, this is a really good display. Do you see? That looks really good. Let's hop into a deathmatch on The Dust 2, the only map that really counts. Now, I can't really record this monitor. That's a little bit of a problem. I think to do that, I have to connect it via HDMI, maybe. But I'll do that later. Now, I just want to try it out. First impressions. Let's go. Oh, did I get the game? This is hella cool. And I mean, it's a small monitor if you compare it to a regular screen, but it's got a lot of pixels, like, you know, an iPhone or something, so it doesn't feel like a small screen. Oh! What? Oh, it's a little laggy. Yes, baby! But it's a little laggy. I wouldn't have thought so. I would have thought like all the official bigger Steam games would be really like optimized for this. But it's CS at least for sure. You know, you have the Russians screaming. You have the people screaming at the screaming Russians, and you have the people who are using a pacemaker as a microphone. I just realized I changed the settings and now it crashed. Not the best review, maybe. Man, it's lagging like crazy. This is hella hard. This is way... Shut the fuck up! This is way harder than playing with... Shut up! So I'm gonna open my storage unit with cases, and I'm gonna remove these 4 cases. So you see, retrieving from storage unit, everything working perfectly. Oh my god, I can't wait to open my first knife on this one. That's gonna be fucking crazy. You bring this to the library, doing opening cases in library challenge, and then when you actually get the knife, you're gonna shit blood and get thrown out. Unlock container. So you see, we just, like in regular Steam, we buy the key. I can't see the mouse anymore. Yeah, look, I can mouse over the things, but I can't see the mouse. Very weird. I'll restart the game. I'm not gonna... This is pretty cool. It's pretty cool. But there's a lot of bugs with it, you can see. But then again, this Steam Deck isn't meant for games like CS, I guess. It's more meant for like Super Meat Boy and like arcade games, you know? Now we're back. Mouse is back. Look here. We are going to be clicking unlock container, fracture case. This might very well be one of the first ever cases opened on a Steam Deck. Let's see, are you ready? Also, does this volume work? Yeah, okay, good, because it's hella loud. Are you ready? Yeah, yeet! Hey! This is hella cool. What do I get? What do I get? Aww. Negative ultra light, and I can check the flow. This is very hard to read. 0.14, can you see? 0.14, but it doesn't really seem finished. I guess there's gonna be a lot of updates to this. Let's see if we can open another case if the mouse will still stay. Nope, now mouse is gone. No. But I can still see that I'm mouse overing the unlock container button. But yeah, that's definitely a glitch. And it's a little laggy when opening, but it's fine. That's pretty cool. What score would I give this one so far? So far, like a solid, like a 5 maybe. You have the glitch where the mouse goes away and CS is just very laggy. I hope they're gonna fix this. Pretty good. Should you buy it? Probably not. I only bought it so I could make videos like this. Am I gonna use it myself? Probably. Probably gonna go to some stupid places and open cases. Opening a knife on a bus in Malta. In the movie theater. You're just watching hella sad scene from like Avengers and then just yes! Star Trek! And they're all crying, fucking Spider-Man died or whatever. Everyone's like, Thank you guys for watching. This was a kind of so far a little waste of 680 euro. I could use this one to prop up my table or something instead. So I managed to figure out that you can pretty easily turn off the gyro. So you can play like this or like this, but it's still pretty laggy sometimes. I'm not sure if you can see when, but I'll play for a little while until it starts lagging. Oh. I guess you can say it's lagging right now.
700 euro?
Oh. It just crashed. I'm not gonna lie. For 700 euro, like shit, bro. You can get, what can you get for that? The new Xbox, you can get Nintendo Switch, you can get fucking any console, basically. For 700 euro, you can get a pretty decent, like, beginner gaming PC. Like, you can play games with that. What the fuck? I'm not gonna lie. I'm usually hella hyped when CS doesn't update or anything. This one, I'm a little bit disappointed. And now I've actually been playing for a while, and it just crashed for no reason. Okay, I got killed by average tomboy enjoyer. There's no way I win that fight. Yeah, I can say with complete confidence that playing CSGO on the Steam Deck is not very fun. It's laggy, impossible to play because you're playing against people that are on the PC. I wouldn't recommend. However, to open cases, maybe I would recommend.